बताऊंगी बच्चे को। कोई आप दिख रहे से मैं दे दूँ आपको।
क्लियर दिख तो रहा है।
हाँ सही। ड्राइंग क्लास
और पास करें
देख लीजिए, अभी बच्चे बताएंगे।
अभी ठीक है। ऐसा
ठीक। क्लास रिकॉर्ड भी तो हो जाएगा।
हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? I hope everyone will be fine. And today we will continue the previous chapter which we have read tomorrow, chapter 9, measurement. Okay dear students, tomorrow I have told you, yesterday I had told you about measurement, a unit measuring the length. The smaller unit of measuring the length is meter, and today we will learn about the unit measuring the quantity, measuring the quantity, whatever it can be. It can be liquid or it can be solid. Okay, if we will measure the weight, then we use the unit gram. What is the unit measuring the weight? That is gram, smaller unit. A smaller unit of measuring the weight is gram, and we will follow same pattern which we had followed for measuring the unit of length. If we goes towards right hand side, of gram, then we find decigram, centigram and milligram. Okay, what is the unit towards right side of the gram? What are the units? Decigram, centigram and milligram. Okay, my dear students, now we will multiply by 10. In 1 gram there is how many decigram? 10 decigram. Okay, if we goes towards right side, then we will find that in 1 gram there is how many decigram? We answer that in 1 gram there is 10 decigram. In 1 decigram there is 10 centigram. In 1 centigram there is 10 milligram. And again come to back. In 1 milligram there is 1 upon 10 centigram. In 1 milligram there is 1 upon 10 centigram. Divide by 10. Okay, divide by 10. In 1 centigram there is 1 upon 10 decigram, and in 1 decigram there is 1 upon 10 gram. Okay, now make confirm, be sure that in 1 gram there is 10 decigram. If we goes towards right side, अगर हम दाएं तरफ मूव करते हैं, if we move towards right side, then we find that in 1 gram there is 10 decigram. 1 decigram is equal to 10 centigram and 1 centigram is equal to 10 milligram. Similarly, 1 milligram is equal to 1 upon 10 centigram. 1 centigram is equal to 1 upon 10 decigram, and 1 decigram is equal to 1 upon 10 gram. Okay, my dear students, now we will write down bigger units of measuring the weight. Okay, this is a smaller unit, and now we will see about bigger unit of measuring the weight. Okay, what is the bigger unit? Decagram, hectogram, kilogram. Decagram, hectogram and kilogram. And kilogram. Kilogram, hectogram and decagram is bigger unit of measuring the weight. Okay, and decigram, centigram and milligram are smaller unit of measuring the weight. Okay, so what is difference between? There is only one difference, that this is bigger unit and this is smaller unit. Okay, be sure you can answer that, sir, all these are the unit of measuring the weight, but someone is smaller and someone is bigger. And in 1 kilogram, same pattern we will follow. In 1 kilogram there is 10 hectogram. In 1 hectogram there is 10 gram, and in 1 decagram there is 10 gram. Okay, and in 1 gram there is 1 upon 10 decagram, in 1 decagram 10 hectogram, and in 1 hectogram there is 1 upon 10 kilogram. Okay, my dear students, write down in your notebook. Then I will make more clear this topic. Okay. Okay, write down.
सामने है सामने आई सामने आपकी हाँ है कैसे पास है चलिए देख से आप आइए
Students, I think you will be noted down it. Now we will find out every measurement units of measuring the weight. Okay. If I ask to you, in 1 gram there is how many decigram, then you can see there is difference of 10. We are multiplying by 10. Okay. We are multiplying by 10. Then we can say, sir, there is 1 gram is equal to 10 decigram. Remember that 1 decigram is equal to 10 centigram. 1 decigram is equal to 10 centigram, and 1 centigram is equal to 10 milligram. 1 gram is equal to 10 decigram, 1 decigram is equal to 10 centigram, and 1 centigram is equal to 10 milligram. Okay. Just change it. If I ask to you that in 1 decigram there is how many gram, in 1 decigram there is how many gram? We know that 1 gram is equal to 10 decigram. Now we write it that in 1 decigram is equal to 1 upon 10 gram. 1 decigram there is 1 upon 10 gram. 1 centigram is equal to 1 upon 10 decigram, and 1 decigram is equal to 1 upon 10 gram. Okay, this is your chart, and understand it. In 1 gram is equal to 10 decigram, 1 decigram is equal to 10 centigram, 1 centigram is equal to 10 milligram. 1 decigram is equal to 1 upon 10 gram. 1 deci, there is how many gram? In 1 decigram, you will answer that 1 decigram is equal to divide by 10, 1 upon 10. Okay? In 1 decigram, there is 1 upon 10 gram. Okay. Now, is how many centigram? is equal to 100 centigrams. 10 multiplied by 10. 1 gram is equal to 100 centigram. How many centigram? 100 centigram. How much centigram? 100 centigram. 10 multiplied by 10. And 1 grams is equal to how much milligram? 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. After multiplying after multiplying 10 3 times, we get 1000. Okay, 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. And 1 decigram is equal to 100 centigram. 1 decigram is equal to 100 100 milligram. Milligram. Okay, 1 decigram is equal to 100 milligram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram, but 1 decigram is equal to 100 milligram. And 1 milligrams is equal to 1 milligrams is equal to 1 upon 100 decigram, and 1 centigram is equal to 1 upon 100 grams. Okay, note down it better, my dear students. Note down it. 1 milligram is equal to how many decigram? How much decigram? 1 milligram is equal to 1 upon 100. 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. 1 upon 100 decigram. Okay. Okay, my dear student, note down it. Now we will write down some more units. After understanding it, we will solve the problem, okay, from your textbook. But first you note down it in your copy. Okay, my dear students, now we will move towards bigger unit, and we will find out it, okay, that what is it. 1 kilogram is equal to 10 hectogram. One hectogram is equal to 10 decagram. And 1 decagram is equal to 10 gram. Simply we are multiplying by 10. Okay, 1 kilogram is equal to 10 hectogram, 1 hectogram is equal to 10 decagram, and 1 decagram is equal to 10 gram. Okay, similarly is equal to 1 upon 10 decagram, divide by 10. 1 decagram is equal to 1 upon 10 hectogram, again divide by 10, and 1 hectogram is equal to 1 upon 10 kilogram. 1 gram is equal to how much hectogram? How much decagram? 1 upon 10 decagram. 1 gram is equal to how much hectogram? 1 upon 100 hectogram. And 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Okay? Okay, note down it better. Now we will solve the question. Okay, I hope you will well understood it. Okay, you will well understand it. So note down it, and after 2 minutes I will erase it. Okay. Measuring the length, weight, or quantity of liquid is very easy. If you have learned it, then you can easily solve the problems. Okay. This is the pattern. Whatever you are seeing on the board, this is the pattern: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. So first of all, you learn it and practice regularly. Then there will be no doubt in measurement. Okay, now we will do problems, and we will solve it. Question 1: 13 gram is equal to how much decigram? 13 grams is equal to how much decigram? Answer it, students. Answer it. Give answer. One gram is equal to, we know that 1 gram is equal to 10 decigram. Then 13 gram is equal to 13 multiplied by 10, 130 decigram. Okay, then here we will fill 10. Answer is 10. 12.6 gram is equal to how much centigram? Simply 1 gram is equal to, I am giving you clue, 1 gram is equal to 100 centigram. Now you will give answer. 12.6 gram is equal to how much centigram? 12.6 gram is equal to how much centigram? 1 gram is equal to 100 centigram. 12.6 gram is equal to 12.6 multiplied by 100. And we know that when we multiply a decimal number to 100, then the decimal moves. Then the decimal moves right side. Okay. Then it would be 12,600 and here 110 will be cancelled. 1260 centigram. 1260 centigram. Okay. Thirteen point two seven gram is equal to how much milligram? 13.27 gram is equal to how much milligram? Okay, 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Your hint is here. Okay students, I am giving hint. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Then you can understand, only you are to multiply 13.27 by 1000. Okay, so multiply it. 13.27 gram is equal to 13.27 multiplied by 1000. The answer will be 13,270 milligram. Okay, 13.270 milligram. Okay, my dear students, I think you will understand it. Now we will solve some more problems. $15.6 milligram is equal to how much centigram? We know that 1 milligram is equal to 1/10 centigram. Then 15.6 milligram is equal to 15.6 multiplied by 1/10 centigram. And when we divide by 10, we know that decimal will move towards the left side. Okay, The answer will be 1.56 centigram. Okay. Here we will fill 1.56 centigram. Question number 5. 7 point. Now you are practicing two chapters similarly. Measurement and decimal. 7.5 centigram is equal to milligram. Milligram is equal to how much milligram? One milligram is equal to 1/100 decigram. Then 7.5 milligram is equal to 7.5 multiplied by 1/100. Answer will be say 0.075 decigram. 0 आगे 0 लगा देते हैं हम लोग. ओके, पुट 0 बिफोर द डेसिमल. 0.075 डेसिग्राम. 0.075 डेसिग्राम. ओके. Next question. This is random questions, students. It is not from your textbook. 6. 1.75 milligram is equal to how much grams? Okay. We know that 1 milligram is equal to 1/1000 grams. Then 1 milligram 1.75 milligram is equal to 1.75 multiplied by 1/1000 grams is equal to decimal will move 3 digits towards left hand side. 0.00175 grams. Okay, dear students, taken the digits including 0, including decimal, including multiple of tens. Okay. Question number 7. 3.2 decigram is equal to how much gram? 3.2 decigram is equal to how much gram? 1 decigram is equal to 1/10 gram. 1/10 grams. Then 3.2 decigrams is equal to 3.2 multiplied by 1/10 grams is equal to 0.32 grams. 0.32 grams. Okay. Dear student, make the topic clear. The concept should be clear, okay? Okay, my dear student, I hope you will understand it well, and whatever is your doubt, you will text it in the group. You will test it, okay? You can, and now note down it, and I will give you homework. Okay, my dear students, note down your homework. Today's homework. Solve task 1, page number 122. And tell me, 1 gram is equal to 7 317 gram is equal to how much decagram? 45 grams is equal to how much hectogram? And 15 kg is equal to how much grams? 75 hectogram is equal to how much grams? And 97 decagram is equal to how much centigram? 97 decagram is equal to how much centigrams? Okay, dear students, note down this question, and after solving it, send in the. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Keep smiling and study hard. Thank you.